Number 4, we have the Solo 425. This piston backpack sprayer delivers professional-grade power with a high-performance piston pump capable of reaching up to 90 psi, making it ideal for demanding tasks like applying herbicides or liquid fertilizers. Its rugged metal frame and chemical-resistant Viton seals ensure durability when handling aggressive substances, while the ergonomic shoulder-saver harness and adjustable waist belt provide exceptional comfort during extended use. The sprayer's 4 adjustable pressure settings allow precise control for everything from delicate foliar sprays to high-pressure treatments, and the commercial shutoff valve minimizes hand fatigue with a lock-on feature. A versatile 4-nozzle assortment, including brass adjustable, fan spray, hollow cone, and jet stream tips, covers diverse spraying needs, and the T-Jet compatible design supports additional nozzle customization. The double filtration system prevents clogs, and the large fill aperture simplifies refilling and cleaning. With a 48-inch reinforced hose and a 28-inch unbreakable wand, this sprayer combines reach, reliability, and ease of maintenance, cementing its reputation as a top choice for landscapers and serious gardeners.